I think today we are making history.
Namhlanje sihlangene ngale launch ye-Next Billionaire Business Awards.
So sithe masibuka sabona ukuthi osomabhizinisi abaningi ama-products abo a-right impela kodwa ulwazi abanalo.
Bangakwazi even ukuthunga ama-boxer shorts bawasaplaye kaphepha, bengakwazi even ukuthunga ingubo zey'ngane bazidayise ka-Woolworths.
Inkinga i-compliance le ogcina kuba ngazathi i-red tape.
Sidinga nje that small training nganyane encane kwenzela ukuthi-ke bezokwazi ukuthi babe qualified.
KZN and beyond, good evening. My name is Angel and welcome. Today we have our media launch happening and we're so excited of what today has in store for us. So come along on this journey with us and let's see what today has in store for us.
Uma sitshala kosomabhizinisi, sitshala kubantu bethu. Kanti lapho abantu bethu bephumelela, umasipala wethu wenza kangcono futhi uyadlondlobala kwezokumakha. So we believe that true development happens when government as business work together with a shared purpose to create opportunities, reduce inequality, ensure that no one stays behind.
Ingakho ke sibe sesihlela ukuthi asibekeke nomcimbi la sizoba nama master class khona sibafundisa ngezinto ezidingakalayo ukuthi bezongena kwe-retail.
And I think that is where ETA comes in terms of skills, in terms of finance. And I think that is where we come in to make sure that those that will be picked up, we will be able to support them in terms of skill, knowledge, and access to market.
Ulethu mangabe unomsebenzi omningi ukwazi ukunikezela kumuntu qualified as CMT. So uma uyi-CMT uyakwazi ukuthatha lo msebenzi loyo uwenze ube ne-factory encane ezosomabhizinisi omncane.
So the Next Billionaire Business Expo is there just to bridge a gap between SMEs and retailers. And ama-retailers abalindile osomabhizinisi inkinga i-compliance le ogcina kuba ngazathi i-red tape.
The 4th of December is more crucial than the 5th, because on the 5th of December we'll be celebrating those that have excelled.
Njengamanje, I would like to announce the nominees.